Welcome to my channel.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Keep it 1026 here, and I just wanted to go a bit into another unboxing. So I did get a new subscription for one that I had seen with Luna Lily. So I wanted to try it out. This theme for Simply Gothic was Eerie Egyptian, and it's the box 12. So it is kind of squashed, but it's because it did come from the United Kingdom. So it is a little worse for wear. I hope there was nothing breakable in it, because you know, US is terrible at shipping anything. So here it says there's a sticker for Simply Gothic, and this is box 12, the Egyptian Eerie. So let's dive right on in and see what I got. Alright, yay! Ooh, okay, so this is what it looks like. It has little confetti skulls, and actually it arrived on a perfect day, Friday the 13th. So the first thing you see is an Egyptian card, and it looks pretty cool, and I've been into Egyptians since I do love anime. So I really do love what is it, Yu-Gi-Oh, and it's one of my favorites. So I got into Egyptian because of Yu-Gi-Oh. And here's their card, Simply Gothic. You prefer to try it out, and then it says thank you, enjoy your new jewelry. Then it has their email and such, and it tells you what's in here. So I'm not gonna look at that just yet. The first item is I don't even know how to call it. I'm gonna say the metal on necklace or something like that. I'm gonna say that's what it is, the Ankh necklace. Oh no, this, oh yeah, it is a necklace. Because I know like it has kind of like earring. So there it is, and it's really pretty. I actually like it. So this I'm definitely gonna be wearing. So, and then we have a really cute, I want to say it's a choker, but I'm not sure. Again, oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so it is a choker. So it's actually pretty cute. I can get it straightened out. Let's see, focus camera. It's an Ankh with a skull, so the Ankh skull choker, and it's really pretty. I actually like that. Or skull Ankh choker. I don't even know how to pronounce that word, so sorry if I'm pronouncing some of these words wrong. Egyptian is not my forte. I was more into the Greek mythology. And then, oh my god, these are so cute. They're Gothic Sphinx. Okay. Gothic Sphinx. It's the Sphinx. And it's so cute. Earrings. So it's a pair. And this is what they look like. I like them. They are so pretty. Oh my god. And then I only have 4 items, and it says here that I should have 5. Oh no, I have 5. It's the card. Hello. Okay. And this is the necklace. It's the Eye of Horus necklace. So I actually do like a lot of these. This is really pretty. I actually like it. This is worth it. Just so you know, this does come from the UK, so it's a little expensive. Shipping was, so the box itself is 19 pounds, and in the US, to exchange 19 to dollars, I believe it's like $1 something a pound. So you're actually looking at like around $22 or so. And then shipping's $11 pounds. So you're looking at roughly, the box came out to 30, so I think I paid like $35 because it was 30 pounds, or maybe I might have paid like 32, I think, around there. But it does, you have to keep in mind that pounds is different from dollars, and it is currently the stronger currency, more so than the dollar, so meaning that it's worth more than the dollar. So if you buy something on there, keep in mind that you are looking at a $30 to $40 charge, and it's up to you if you want to get it. I actually think it's worth it because, I mean, stuff like this is not sold in the UK. I mean in the UK, in the United States, because I mean this is like, I guess you could say gothic, and Hot Topic does have really cute necklaces. Like the one I'm wearing is from Hot Topic, and it's the Maleficent, and they have really cute earrings and stuff, and makeup. And I also got these, I think I got these at Hot Topic, or I got them at a different store. But I think stuff like this that's handmade, simply you won't find it here unless someone has a subscription box as well. So keep that in mind, that you are going to be paying a bit more than what you thought the pricing would be. So just to recap, we have the King Tut, I'm just going to say Tut because I can't say his full name, King Tut print, the Skull Ankh choker. I'm trying to keep it so that the little skull shows. The Sphinx earrings, the metal Ankh, or I'm going to assume it's Ankh, and then of course the Eye of Horus. So that's 5 items for 19 pounds, and shipping to the US is 11 pounds, so you're looking at around 40, like $35 to $40. So all of this 5 for like $35 to $40. Okay, I actually like all this. It's really pretty. It's stuff that I actually honestly would wear because I really do love these. So if you like it, subscribe. I'll put down their information down below, and you can decide whether or not this is something you would want to purchase. Alright, thank you so much for watching my movie video, and have a good day.